Shirisha, can you hear me?
Yes, sure.
So Capgemini నుంచి వచ్చింది కదా కాల్. సో యూ
Yeah.
హ్యావ్ టు ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ద జేడి. జేడీలో మనకి ఏం షేర్ చేస్తారో ఆర్డర్ రిలేటెడ్గా ఫోకస్ చేయండి.
Okay.
ప్లగిన్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్
Oh,
ప్లగిన్స్లో వీ హ్యావ్ దట్ పైప్లైన్ స్టేజెస్, రైట్?
yes,
పైప్లైన్
pre-validation.
స్టేజ్,
Yeah.
yeah, pipeline stage and what is asynchronous, synchronous.
Okay.
You just go through that basic things,
Oh.
pre-image, post-image,
Hmm.
and user context. సేమ్
Okay.
మనకి లాస్ట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అడిగారు కదా, సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రిపీట్ అవ్వచ్చు.
Okay.
సో యూ ట్రై టు ప్రిపేర్. సో
And
లెట్ us take,
పవర్ యాప్స్ అని ఉంది కదా అశోక్,
yeah,
పవర్ యాప్స్.
that is fine. So we can manage basic things.
ఓకే.
సేమ్ లైక్ మీకు లాస్ట్ టైం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినట్టే చేయండి. పవర్ యాప్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద లెర్నింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ and CRM you have the work experience.
ఓకే, రియల్ టైమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
Yes, yes. So let's take the simple one. Uh, Can you just explain about yourself, basic introduction?
Sure. So, my name is Sirisha. I'm from Hyderabad and I have started my career in June 2015. Overall, I have 8 plus experience and my relevant experience is 2 years. My career started at Hinduja Global Solutions as a customer relation officer. At my current company, which is Tech Mahindra, I have been working since 2 years. During this time, I have been involved in few couple of projects. I do have a good experience on CRM customizations and out of the box functionalities as well. I was involved on data migrations using out of the box import wizard. I have good experience in CRM customizations like implementing plugin JavaScript, business rule, views, dashboards, fields creation and entity creation, so on. My roles and responsibilities are in daily. I do have a sync up calls with my team lead and manager regarding the project requirement and take up the task. I will work on assigned task and provide the updates to my team lead via email on daily basis. So let's summarize my skill set. I do have a good experience on CRM customizations by implementing JavaScript plugin, business rule, views, dashboards, fields, and entity creation. I'm also experienced in Power Platforms like implementing of Power Automate flows, Canvas apps, modern driven apps, basic Power portals, and usage of PCF controls. This is about my self introduction.
Okay, sure. And can you just explain about your current project?
Sure. So right now I'm working on sales and billing operation projects. The project is all about managing the whole sales in the organization and providing the best service with the existing customers. So I was involved in customer service module. As per the business process, we do create a cases in CRM automatically. we implement we implemented automatic record create and update rules as soon as we create a case. As soon as we receive the email to support mailbox, the case will be created automatically. Also, we do have a business requirement like if the newly created case should be assigned to the list of specified support team members in a round robin format. So we achieved this requirement by writing plugin. We created a configure entity to store the list of to store the list of support team members GUIDs with comma separated on which is on creation of case. We implemented plugin to read the configuration and get the user who is having the least number of open cases and the case should be assigned to that user. Right now, we also implemented workflow. So by using workflow, we send the email notifications to the customer whenever email to the customer and Case assignment email will be sent to the support team member. Once the case is closed, the email notification will also send to the customer. Also, we have created a custom entity with the name of call history. The entity is used to track the customer communication along with the next follow up date. Once the next follow up date is triggered, the notification will be sent to the support team member, so that they will work on it and take a proper action to get the case closed. Once the case is closed, the email will be sent to the customer using workflow. We implemented using workflow. This is about my project.
Okay, and may I know what is the importance of pipeline stages in plugins?
Yeah, so we have three types of plugin, which is pre-validation, pre-operation, and post-operation. So coming to pre-validation, the system will send the controls before the form is validated. And coming to pre-operation, in the pre-operation, the system will control on before the core operation, the form. And post operation, it controls the data once the core operation is completed.
Okay, but it's not about the control, right? It's your formation is not correct. Just validate that answer, Shirisha.
Okay, sure.
So you have to make sure that one. And what is the scope of the business rule?
Yeah, so business rule is out of the box component where we can accomplish by writing a condition without using a JavaScript. So in the business rule, we do have we do have like, for example, if we want to set any field visibility based on other field values, we can achieve this by using business rule. For example, if we have three fields like gender, son of, or daughter of, so as per the based on gender selection, we need to show the respective fields. So for example, if we select the gender, the respective field should be like son of or daughter of, and we achieve this by using this business rule functionality.
Okay, what is the scope of business rule?
Scope, so, no, Ashok, I didn't know.
And how about the scope of workflow?
Yeah, so workflow is like or same out of the box functionality. By using workflow, we can send some automatic business requirements, like we can send automatic emails to the customer. And we have like workflow and scopes. Like, we have two types of workflow, which is real-time workflow and background workflow. Coming to scope, we have users, business unit, parent child business unit, and organization. So the user workflow will only affect on the on the sorry, the workflow will only affect records owned by the owner of the workflow. Coming to business unit, the workflow will only affect records on all the owners that are in the same business unit. Whereas parent and child business unit, the workflow will only affect records for all the owners in the business, and any child business unit of the workflow of the owner. In the organization, the workflow will be affect in all the records in the complete CRM organization.
Okay, and can you just explain uh, where exactly we use workflow? What kind of requirement you have implemented the workflow? Have you ever
Yeah.
implemented workflow in your project?
Yes, workflow right now using workflow like uh, we implemented workflow to send automatic emails to the customer. So like uh, whenever the case is created, if the customer has any concern, whenever the case is created, we use workflow to send the emails once on creation of case or email notification. For example, if customer has any concern, so we'll follow up with the customer along with the next follow up date. So as per the next follow up date triggered, the case will be assigned to the support team member. So once they work on it, and they will take a proper action and close it. Once they close the case, the email notification will be sent to the customer automatically once the case is closed using workflow.
What is the difference between workflow and plugin?
Yeah, so workflow has limited events. Workflow has triggered have limited events like create, update, and field change, status change. Whereas a plugin, we can have additional events like example closed or cancelled for case entity along with the custom actions. So with workflow we cannot control the actual operation, whereas plugin we can do that using pipeline stages, which is pre-validation or pre-operation stages.
Mm-hmm. And uh, can we run workflow as a current logged in user context or admin context? How do
We
we
can.
run workflow as a admin context?
So using a workflow, we need to assign or on update the events, sorry, which is on create. We need to enable steps like on create. So once whenever the case is created, the creation email will be sent to the email notification will be sent to the customer.
No, no, no. I'm asking about the can we run the workflow with admin context? Admin context means so usually it will run as a login user account, right? If
Yeah.
I want to trigger workflow always on the admin context, what are the steps do we follow? Okay, that is yeah, that is fine. So have you ever do you know about the JavaScript functions?
Yes.
Can you just give me an example in any of your project? What kind of requirement you have implemented JavaScript?
Yeah, so we implemented like JavaScript to update or create or delete. We implemented JavaScript and uploaded the event in the CRM organization.
Mhm. What are the steps do we follow to add the JavaScript functions in Sierra?
I need to look into that. Ashok. One second. Steps for the
Yeah.
to update. Yeah.
Okay, and may I know the plugin registration steps?
Yeah. So we can we can register the plugin using plugin registration step. First, we need to create a connection by logging into the environment environment where we need to register the plugin. Next, we need to register the assembly using a register button and the specific location of the plugin assembly. and the specific isolation mode and plugin storage location. So for online env we need to choose the sandbox isolation mode and the database storage location. So once the registration is completed, we need to register a new step on register plugin by providing the message name as creator update and primary entity mentioning on which the plugin needs to be triggered along with the pipeline uh, stage. So the execution mode will synchronous or asynchronous, and deployment stage is server or offline.
Okay. So you don't explain in depth, Shirisha. You will get cross questions. You just
Okay.
explain in high level. So if you say the sandbox mode, and they will ask what is the importance of the sandbox, why can't you
Okay.
register on the other mode? So you
Okay.
just explain in high level, like what how you have to explain. So
Hmm.
we have to create the class library first, and
Okay.
we have to sign in with a strong key.
Hmm.
Once assembly is ready, class library is ready, we need to use the plugin registration tool to deploy into the CRM. So once plugin registration tool is connected to our CRM using our specified credentials, we can add the assembly, and once assembly is added, we can add the steps, triggering points. That's it. అలా
Sure.
then high level లో ఉండాలి. You no need to explain in depth. Okay.
Okay.
You will
Okay.
get cross questions.
Hmm.
Okay. And that is all about it. And similar questions మీకు ఆల్రెడీ సేమ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో రిపీట్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో వై కాంట్ యూ ప్రిపేర్ ప్రాపర్లీ? మీకు ఇప్పుడు 3-4 ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ అటెండ్ అయ్యారు, సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయి కదా అన్ని కంపెనీస్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టైం.
Like a
అవునా?
business rule is a main first topic, Ashok. Business rule
యా.
and
సో మీకు
scope.
ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ రిపీట్ అవుతున్నాయి కదా. ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ దే రిపీట్ సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, యు ఆర్ స్టిల్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు ఆన్సర్ ప్రాపర్లీ.
లైక్ అక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఇంకా డెప్త్ అడుగుతున్నారు అశోక్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మొన్న చూసారు ప్లగిన్ అది పవర్ యాప్స్ గురించి. లైక్ దీని గురించి అసలు నాకు ఏమీ రిలేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కొన్నే వస్తున్నాయి
సో
మన
అందుకే మీకు
సిఆర్ఎం
హై
యాప్
లెవెల్లో
గురించి.
మీ ఆన్సర్స్ హై లెవెల్లో ఉంటే యూ వోంట్ గెట్ ఇన్ డెప్త్ వెళ్ళదు ఇంటర్వ్యూ. సో యూ మేక్ షూర్ యూ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ హై లెవెల్. ఓకే.
సో ఇప్పుడు నేను బిజినెస్ రూల్ కానీ ప్లగిన్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ స్టెప్స్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యాక లైక్ టీసీఎస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అటెండ్ అయితే రిలేటెడ్ టు దానికి అసలు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అని
యా యా
సెక్యూర్
దట్ ఈస్.
ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అది వచ్చింది మొన్న మీరు చూసారు కదా.
సో మన లాస్ట్ టైం ఇంటర్వ్యూలో సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయి,
ఎస్ ఎస్
అండ్ అంతమంది ఇంటర్వ్యూలు కూడా సేమ్ వచ్చాయి మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో.
విచ్ ఇస్
టీసీఎస్
ఇన్ఫోసిస్.
ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్ అవి వెళ్ళిపోయావి. మీరు
టు
చెప్పే
ఇన్ఫోసిస్.
ఆన్సర్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని ప్యానెల్ తీసుకెళ్తాడు మిమ్మల్ని.
ఓకే.
సో మీరు నెగిటివ్ వీళ్ళు వెళ్ళకుండా చూడాలంటే మీరు చెప్పే ఆన్సర్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొనే ఉంటుంది. క్రాస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రాకుండా ఉండాలంటే సో యూ హ్యావ్
ఓకే.
టు ఆన్సర్ ప్రాపర్లీ.
ఓకే.
Okay. Yeah, that
షూర్.
is all about it. So I will connect with you later, Shirisha.
ఓకే షూర్.
I will call you separately.
ఓకే షూర్.
మీరు ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి ఒక 15 minutes before
ఓకే.
interview. So I will
యా.
call you.
ఓకే. ఓకే షూర్.
Okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah, thanks.